Start Windows Update Service first. Head to the search bar in the Start menu and type services.msc.
Press Enter to open the Services window.
Locate Windows Update in the list, right-click it, and choose Properties. Ensure that the startup type is set to Automatic and click Apply. Next, click Start to begin the service, then hit OK. This ensures that the Windows Update service is running properly. Close the Services window and try updating your PC. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. If the issue persists, go back to the search bar and type Run, then press Enter. In the Run dialog box, type the following command: msdt.exe/ii Windows Update Diagnostic. Press Enter to open the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Once the tool launches, click Advanced, and make sure the box for Apply Repairs automatically is checked. Then click Next to let it scan and fix any issues it finds. Once completed, check if the problem is resolved. If the issue is still unresolved, you can try resetting the update service manually. Search for CMD in the Start menu, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following commands one at a time, pressing Enter after each. All the commands will listed in the video description: netstop wuauserv, netstop cryptsvc, netstop bits, netstop msiserver. These commands will stop various update services. After running these, open File Explorer and navigate to this PC > C drive Windows folder. Find the folder named Software Distribution and delete all files and folders inside it. After clearing the folder, go back to the command prompt and start the services again with these commands: netstart wuauserv, netstart cryptsvc, netstart bits, netstart msiserver.
Once all services have started, close the command prompt and restart your PC. Update your PC. Now try updating your system again. Your issue should be resolved and the update should work successfully. And that is it. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.